Welcome to Kisan Sarthi, a multilingual, multimedia digital platform developed to bridge the gap between farmers and agricultural experts. In this video, we'll walk you through the features and responsibilities of a KVK expert and how the platform supports query management. KVK experts can respond to farmer queries through the Query Management module of the Kisan Sarthi platform. Queries submitted by farmers via various channels, Kisan Sarthi Farmer App, Common Service Centers (CSC) or Kisan Call Centers (KCC) are listed under the Pending Queries section. By clicking on a query ID, the expert can view complete details of the query, including domain and commodity, query text, multimedia attachments, farmer profile, farmers' past queries. To gather more information, the expert can initiate a call to the farmer using the audio call option. If needed, previously scheduled calls can be rescheduled to a new date and time using the Reschedule feature. To provide a solution, the expert selects the Provide Solution option. Here, they can fetch domain-specific, commodity-based, problem type, and location-specific advisory content from the Kisan Sarthi Kosh (AAMS), a repository of pre-approved advisories. Experts can enhance the message using Bhashani's translation and transliteration tools, allowing the advisory to be edited or delivered in any of the 13 supported regional languages. Additionally, multimedia files, such as images or videos, can be attached to offer better clarity for the farmer. For farmers without smartphones or not using the Kisan Sarthi app, the expert can send the solution via SMS. By selecting Yes in the SMS text option, the advisory text is automatically copied into the SMS box, where it can be edited before sending. If a query requires higher-level technical input, the expert has the option to refer the query to an ICAR domain-specific institution, Level 3, for expert resolution. Once the solution is submitted, the query status is updated from pending to closed, and it is moved to the closed queries list.